Hello, this video is regarding how to calculate GPA for high school. The GPA is calculated twice a year, in January for semester 1 and in June for semester 2. Semester 1 adds the grades from August all the way through December, January. They're averaged at the end of the semester. It encompasses quarter 1, which is August to December, and quarter 2, which is October to December or January. The quarter grades are not shown on the transcript at all. So for semester 1, it's quarter 1 plus quarter 2 plus the end of course exam or the class exam to make a final semester 1 grade, and then the GPA is calculated. This is a separate grade than semester 2. In semester 2, the grades run from January through May, and they are averaged together to create a final semester 2 grade in May-June. This encompasses quarter 3, which is January to March, and quarter 4, which is March to May. Quarter grades are not shown on the transcript at all. So semester 2 is quarter 3 plus quarter 4 plus the end of course exam or the class exam to create a final semester 2 grade. Then the GPA is calculated. Each year the GPA will be recalculated in January and in June. The cumulative GPA adds all of the GPAs as they're added grade by grade, year by year. During high school, if a student makes a D or an F in a class, they would have to retake the same class and earn an A, B, or C in order to forgive the D or an F. Both courses will always show on the transcript. However, the D or the F will be waived out of the GPA and not calculated, and the new grade of an A, B, or C will replace that for the GPA. Both courses, again, will still show up on the transcript. For students that have to remediate a class because of a D or an F, they would retake the exact same course either in virtual school or during summer school. If a student has an elective where they've earned a D or an F, but that same exact course is not being offered through the virtual school or through summer school, they would have to take an additional elective to help boost the GPA to remediate a D or an F. The courses would both show for the elective that they got a D or an F, and then the new elective with that grade. Students are placed in grade levels according to the number of completed credits. So freshmen coming in from 8th grade don't have credits typically unless they've taken a high school class in middle school. In order to be considered a 10th grader or a sophomore, students must have finished and completed up to 6 credits. Once they reach 6 credits, they bump into the sophomore category. In order to be considered a junior or an 11th grade student, they must have completed 12 credits. And then in order to be considered a senior, they must have completed 19 credits. For a student who has completed 18 credits, they will still be considered a junior, and they will not be put on senior status until they add all of their completed credits up to 19 completed credits to be senior status. In Seminole County, the grading scale is posted here. An A is between 90 and 100 and is 4 quality points. A B, 80 to 89, is worth 3 quality points. A grade of a C is a 70 to a 79 percentage, or 2 quality points. A D, 60 to 69, or 1 quality point, and anything below 59 is an F and is worth no quality points. Students who take advanced placement courses will earn extra weight to the GPA, and A is worth 5 instead of 4. Honors courses also get weighted GPAs by adding a half point. So for an honors course, An A would be worth 4.5 quality points. If you have questions regarding quality points and calculating a weighted GPA, you can ask your school counselor. This page shows how to calculate the cumulative GPA. You would have to take each and every course, each and every grade, the quality points, and then you would have to determine how many points there are divided by the grading points. If you watch the video, it will show example on how to do this. Also on the internet, there are a number of GPA calculators where you can just type in the class, the grade, and the quality points.